Okay, so now we're going to start with problem 4 in Boyce and DiPrima, Chapter 1, Section 1. So we have y prime equals negative 1 minus 2y, and we're supposed to draw the direction field. So we come over here, we draw our y, t plane, and we want to find where this derivative is 0. So we say 0 is equal to negative 1 minus 2y. That tells us y is equal to minus 1/2. So we come down to minus 1/2, and we draw our 0 slope line. Okay? So we now look at this and say, well, as y gets more and more positive, our derivative is going to get more and more negative, right? If we plug in a larger number, our derivative becomes negative. So this becomes kind of a downward sloping as we get higher and higher. Same thing throughout all of this. Okay, what about if our y becomes very negative? Well, if our y starts becoming more and more negative, our derivative starts getting more and more positive. So this does one of those sorts of things where as we get negative, we start getting steeper upwards. Okay, so something like that. Well, what happens as t goes to infinity? Well, as t goes to infinity, you can kind of see that any solution to this differential equation kind of comes up like that, following these slope fields, or following the slope field. So as t goes to infinity, we can say y converges to negative 1/2. Okay, well that's how you solve problem 4 from section 1 of chapter 1 in Boyce and DiPrima. Check back at my channel for more videos on how to solve these differential equations problems.